Chokkomi's Hiccup Adventure. One sunny afternoon in the lush green forest, a curious 7-year-old squirrel named Chokkomi found a wonderful treasure. Hidden under a pile of crunchy golden leaves was a bar of delicious acorn chocolate. His eyes sparkled with pure joy as he held his prize. "This looks so yummy," Chokkomi chirped. He opened his mouth wide and took a giant bite of the acorn chocolate. The sweet, nutty flavor filled his mouth, making his fluffy tail twitch with happiness. It was the best treat he had ever found. But just as he finished his last bite, a strange sound came from his throat. "Hic!" Chokkomi froze in surprise. Then came another one. "Hic!" Every time he hiccuped, his whole body gave a little bounce, and his bushy tail shook. Hearing the funny noises, his mother, Dotori, came scurrying out of their tree hollow. She wore her favorite bright red scarf that fluttered in the breeze. She looked at her little son with a worried but gentle smile. "Oh dear Chokkomi, it looks like you have the hiccups," Dotori exclaimed. "Don't you worry, I know exactly how to fix this," Dotori said with a wink. She signaled for Chokkomi to stay put, and then quickly sneaked behind a massive oak tree. She peeked out from behind the trunk, waiting for the perfect moment to start her plan. Suddenly, Dotori jumped out from behind the tree and shouted, "Boo!" Chokkomi was so startled that all 4 of his feet left the ground. He stared at his mom with wide, round eyes. There was a moment of complete silence, and then, "Hic!" The scare hadn't worked. Dotori didn't give up. "If scaring doesn't work, maybe dancing will," she laughed. She began to spin around and perform a very silly squirrel dance. She wiggled her tail, hopped on one leg, and made the funniest faces she could think of to make Chokkomi laugh. Chokkomi started giggling at his mother's silly moves. Soon, he was rolling on the grass, clutching his tummy, and laughing at the top of his lungs. But every time he tried to catch his breath, a stubborn "hic, hic" still popped out. "I have one more idea." Dotori cried happily. She ran back into their home and emerged carrying a special cup made from a large, polished acorn shell. It was filled to the brim with the clearest, coolest spring water from the heart of the forest. "Take long, slow sips, my little one," Dotori whispered softly. Chokkomi took the cup and drank the refreshing water slowly. 1 second passed, then 2, and the hiccups were gone. The 2 squirrels shared a big, warm hug under the golden afternoon sun,